In this video, I am going to show you how to delete Bluehost account. So let's get started. Before deleting your Bluehost account, one thing that you need to keep in mind is that if you will delete your Bluehost account, then it will be not possible for you to access your hosting plan, email hosting, domains, and also your Bluehost account. But still, if you want to delete your Bluehost account, let's see how we can do it. Go to bluehost.com and then from the top just click on login. Now enter your Bluehost username and password and then click on login. And this will take us to the Bluehost portal. Now from the top menu just click on this chat icon. And after that scroll down to the bottom and click on visit contact page. Now you can have a live chat with your Bluehost agent, or also you can call on this number and ask them to delete your Bluehost account. If you want to go with live chat, just click on chat now. At first the Bluehost agent will verify you, and after that you can ask them to delete your Bluehost account and they will do it for you. So this is how you can delete your Bluehost account. Thank you so much for watching the video tutorial. Please like and subscribe.